I've always been a rotten little kid, never been ashamed of the things I did. My favorite pastime was stirring up shit. Look me straight in my eyes and tell me you don't believe it. Suckers! All my life I never gave a shit. It wasn't nothing for me to just do it. I'd look you straight in your eyes as I would pull a prank on you, right in front of everyone, and watch them all turn on you. Ha ha! Pushing buttons, causing trouble, it's what I love to do. Pushing buttons, watching you and everyone else come unglued. Pushing buttons, and I'll do it to you too. Here I come, I'm gonna start some. Yes, I am, just for you, as I sit back and laugh as chaos ensues all around you. Ha ha! Let's do it! Here I come! Pushing buttons, causing trouble, it's what I love to do. Pushing buttons, watching you and everyone else come unglued. Pushing buttons, and I'll do it to you too. Ain't nothing you can do. Pushing buttons, causing trouble, it's what I love to do. Pushing buttons, watching you and everyone else come unglued. Pushing buttons, and I'll do it to you too. Ooh. There's nothing you can do.